Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs on Tesla. Today I've got some exciting new product from Jawa that I'll be reviewing on the channel. One of my favorite products so far from Jawa is this piece here. This is the wireless charging pad from Jawa. Now, if you own a Tesla Model Y or Model 3 or really all the Tesla models right now, they actually come with a wireless charging mat. But Jawa makes a fantastic elegant design wireless charger mat that I'm looking forward to try out now. Now, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, leave a comment below. And if you are owner of a Tesla, any Tesla car, please check out Jawa website. They have some great stylish product for your Tesla, some of the best accessory for your Teslas you can find on Jawa website. And if you check the description in this video, you'll find a special coupon Tech World that you can take and apply to your purchase and get a fantastic discount. So let's start off with this wireless charging mat. So this wireless charging mat right now is one of the most stylish charger mat I've seen so far on the market. And let's take a look at what's included in the box. So this wireless charger mat actually has a wooden texture, and it has 3-position charging, so you can charge one device here, or you can charge it horizontal. So you have that flexibility of vertical and horizontal charging. But there's even more features built into this charging mat. It has a micro USB slot right here, and this gives you access to store your dash cam footage or your Sentry mode footage. So you have the option of sticking the micro USB slot right there, and you have the dash cam footage available. At the back of it, you have the 2 USB-C port, which connects directly to the existing port on your Tesla. Very lightweight, really nice wooden finish and texture to it. And then it has the silicone in the middle to prevent your phone from sliding while driving. Really awesome charger mat. Jawa also included this piece of add-on, and this allows you to charge your AirPods or really your wireless charging headphones. You can just stick it right here and it will start wirelessly charging those headphones. The beauty is you can also use this horizontal, which is pretty cool. Also included in this kit is all the cables you need. So they provide the USB-A to USB-C cable. There is additional USB-A to USB-C cable, and there is a USB-C to USB-C cable. So one thing that I love about Jawa is when you buy any of Jawa's product, you get the complete accessory. You get everything you need right out of the box to use the accessory. There's no side on, there's no additional accessory that you have to buy. Jawa provides everything up front, and that's one thing I love about this company. So that is it for the wireless charger mat by Jawa. Let's see what else they sent. So Jawa also sent this device there. It's a pretty small compact device. Let's see what it's like. So all these devices I'm reviewing today, I will be giving away. I have multiple of these devices, and I will be giving away to new subscribers. So if you subscribe to the channel, really important you leave a comment, because you could be the owner of one of these or one or all of these devices, because Jawa is giving away these devices from this channel. The other add-on here is this little tiny box, and it's a 3-port USB hub. So what it means is this little box right here has 3 USB-A output, and it has a micro USB micro SD slot, and it has a USB-A output. Or let's say your car doesn't have a USB-A, use this adapter that's provided to convert the USB-A to USB-C. So this here is really important for your Sentry mode. Inside the new Tesla, in the glove box, there's a USB-A port. If you use this box here, this hub, essentially, you plug in this USB-A to the USB-A port in the glove box, you will have access to 3 USB-A ports, as well as the micro SD slot where you can store your Sentry mode footage. So very high I guess, utility use for this hub, and I could see this being very necessary for a lot of folks who have a lot of USB-A or USB-C add-ons on their vehicle. So please take advantage of it. It's very inexpensive, and again, if you are a subscriber on this channel, this will be one of the add-ons that I will be giving away. And on top of that, there is 3 more boxes to check out. Let's see what's inside of these 3 boxes. Next, we have the Jawa invisible fold-away car mount. Also, while driving, this invisible car mount will come in very handy. It has the cable provided. It has MagSafe compatible, so you stick your phone here, it will allow you to charge your phone. And then it has a rotating arm, which allows you to change the direction, orientation, or the axle that you want your phone to be. So you can go side to side, up and down, and the arm go whatever angle or direction you want it. The back of it sticks on your actual dashboard, so if you want to put this on your dashboard, you can even put it at the back of the iPad. It's very versatile, very flexible, but it's a nice way of keeping your phone available, especially like if you're using your car for Uber or Lyft or one of those rideshare company, and you need to access the app. This will be very important because you'll be able to charge your phone, access the app, be able to navigate and use the app for the things that you need to use it for while driving. So highly recommend this. This is the invisible car mount from Jawa. Again, like I said, the thing I love about Jawa is everything is provided in the box. You get the cable, and the cable does have a 90-degree angle, which means it makes it very seamless for the cable to be moved around in your car. There's the invisible car mount device with MagSafe compatibility, and you do get the adapter for USB-A to USB-C, which is very handy dandy to have around. There's a 3M tape, and if you need extra, let's say you stick it and you need to reposition it, there's an extra 3M tape to go at the back of this here. Let's say if this 3M tape loses its adhesion capability. So that is a pretty cool one to have. Everything, like I said, is provided in the box. Instruction manual, all that fun stuff is included in the box, and this is highly recommended if you're using your phone a lot for while driving for whatever purposes that you need to use it for. So last 2 review that I wanted to share with is these 2. This one here is actually a center console cup holder. These are important. How much I love these center console cup holders, because these save you while driving, especially if you drink coffee or beverages and you hit a speed bump. This could make a real mess of your car, but having this silicone based center console cup holder gives it that easy of use to wash it and clean it, and keep your car nice and clean all the time. So they come in 2 styles. You have the black finish. I think I've reviewed this already on this channel. Has a beautiful Jawa logo, grips right here. It's a tight fit in the existing position of the center console, so it's not a very loose where it just moves around a lot. And on top of that, if you're not feeling the black finish, we do have the white finish. So this is actually not a really white, but it's a gray finish. There's a beige finish that you can find on the website, but on the gray finish, you have the beautiful silicone, high-end silicone Jawa logo, same grip, and you can blend this into your interior really nice. These are the cup holders. Again, all these accessories I am reviewing will be given away to new subscribers on the channel. To subscribe, and if you didn't get selected, check out the description below for the coupon code where you can purchase this here and get a huge amount of savings when you check out. On top of that, the last piece I have that I've reviewed already is this fold-away table. Fold-away table is really useful because I could do all the reviews. I can eat. I can use my laptop on this flat surface. Really simple concept. It fits nice. It goes from edge to edge. Gives me a lot of surface area to use this. And just an elegant piece of add-on to your Tesla. So check this out. It's retail for $79. With a coupon code, you can get a huge saving, and this is a must-have if you own a Tesla. So I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.